Hello everyone, today we're going to see how we can gel print photos, text and texture directly into our journal. But obviously you can use this process to print on many other surfaces, not just your journal. I'm in love with this process because it's not only fun, but also it's a free form practice since it really has no rules and it just go with the flow kind of process. And at the end of the video, we're going to have a look at the journal I'm currently working on. So stick around and let me know what you think about it. So you can use any good quality journal and a mixed media journal will be just perfect. This is the one I'm going to use today. I especially like it because it has both white and craft pages. And I'm going to post links to this journal and all the other supplies I'm using today below this video. So I like to use gel plates that are different sizes and shapes when I'm printing in my journal, but if you only have one size, that's fine too. So first I choose the page I'm going to work on, and I place my gel plate on an acrylic block or plexiglass so I can basically use it like a stamp. I start by adding color to my plate and I decide whether I'm going to create texture with stencils and stamps. Or maybe I'm going to transfer images, photos, and text, like in this case. And just to be clear, I'm transferring my own photos and text, which I printed with my laser printer. And if this is all new to you and you're not sure how to transfer photos and text with a gel plate, make sure to check out the beginner's video I made previously after you finish watching this video. There's a link to the basic transfer tutorial below this video. But for now, just sit back and enjoy and watch me do all the work. Luckily, it's fun for me. I really like to make art journals and I just love printing with my gel plate. So combining both of them and building these pages is just so relaxing and for sure satisfying. And I find that artist journals can be a great way to practice and document my creative process. And I know some artists make them as a gift or even sell them. So yes, there are many different reasons why someone wants to make an artist journal. And please feel free to share yours in the comments. And here I'm using some of my homemade gel plates just to add some fun colors and texture to my journal. I will also make sure to link to my homemade gel plates tutorial. As you can see, I really like using neon colors on the craft pages. And by the way, if you're interested in learning step by step how to image transfer and gel print your own photos, be sure to check out my online classes. They are fun and easy. They are also ongoing, which means you can sign up now and take it at your own pace. Whenever you have time, no pressure. So yeah, links to the online classes are, yes, below this video. I really like printing with the round gel plate. You can actually print some really interesting photos with it. This is footage from another video just to show you what the photos look like when they're printed with the round gel plate. Okay, now back to our journal. And I'm going to use Van Dyke Brown to print this photo from Portugal. It's one of my very favorite photos I took during my week's visit to this beautiful country. I really hope I'll be able to visit there one day again. And now I'm going to transfer some text from this magazine. And here I'm pretty much cleaning my plate and pulling whatever is there with some bright yellow paint. And yeah, my favorite stamp, which is actually a homemade stamp. And now, as promised, let's take a look at the journal I'm currently working on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.